everybody, welcome back to Rix Flix. Today we are at the beautiful Universal Orlando Resort, and I'm going to show you everything that you need to know or ever wanted to know about Florean Fortescue's ice cream parlor. Let's go! Find Florean Fortescue's at the end of Diagon Alley. It's conveniently located across from Gringotts Bank. So grab your Muggle money or Wizarding Sickles, Nuts, and Galleons and head over to the best ice cream parlor in the Wizarding world. So last night I was reading one of my favorite books in the Harry Potter series, and Florean Fortescue was referenced. This brief mention has always kind of stuck with me, as this is the moment when, after leaving the Dursleys, that Harry is truly alone in Diagon Alley. It's the kindness that Florean shows Harry that inspired me to come and show you this wonderful book character's ice cream parlor that we can visit in real life. Inside and see all the awesome flavors that they have, and maybe even order one. Florean Fortescue's has a delightfully vintage theming with pastel colors, whimsical decor, and wonderful scents that instantly transports you into the magical world. There are two types of ice cream to choose from: soft serve and hard pack. Soft serve flavors include banana, chocolate, Granny Smith, mint, pistachio, vanilla, marmalade, toffee apple, and strawberries and cream. Hard pack flavors include chocolate chili, apple crumble, vanilla, salted caramel blondie, Earl Grey and lavender, sticky toffee pudding, chocolate and raspberry, strawberry and peanut butter. Florean Fortescue also features the famous butterbeer ice cream in soft serve. There are also a variety of sundae options as well. Toppings include hundreds and thousands, which essentially is rainbow sprinkles, shortbread crumbles, waffle cone pieces, crystals, chocolate chips, and chopped nuts. Now that we have our ice cream, we need to find a place to sit or hang out. We have scouted a few places for you to enjoy your treat, the first being on the steps between Gringotts and the Magical Menagerie. It has a beautiful view of Diagon Alley, and it's a great place to people watch. The front steps of Gringotts Bank is also a fun place to sit in the sun and enjoy the view. Now there's also an alcove to the left of the Magical Menagerie where the talking snake can entertain you. Several benches can be found throughout Diagon Alley. They can be found outside of the restrooms at both entrances of Diagon Alley and within the entrance of Nocturne Alley. If you're lucky, you may be even able to find a table near the hopping pot. On busy days, these may not be available, so you just want to pull off to the side. There's a standing area to the left of the stage.
No matter. Just in time for dessert. That is, if Belby's left you any.
Okay, so now that we have our ice cream, let's go watch Celestina and the Banshees perform while we enjoy it. versions of the ice cream that they offer. I got hard packed ice cream and I also got soft serve. The hard packed ice cream, I got the chocolate raspberry and it was fantastic. It was great. It was in a waffle cone. It was $6.99, and then I also tried the soft serve. Now the soft serve came in the specialty cup, and that was $7.49 for, and you get a souvenir cup for it. The only thing about the soft serve ice cream was that it was like a mix-in, so you had a vanilla ice cream with kind of a banana flavor mix-in. So for me, I preferred the hard-packed ice cream in the waffle cone. It's great. So I had fun today showing you guys everything you need to know about Florean Fortescue's ice cream parlor. And with all that being said, don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun. Thanks for watching Rix Flix. And now it's time to relax.